Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle of today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 29th, 2023. In this additional, I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more for 4 stars puzzle. And this will be number 6197. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So, should be an easy one. And maybe 2 stars, 3 stars. We don't know. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box, and here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order here. So let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here the same, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 over there. So no 2 there, 2 should be here, and then 1 goes there. Next question, do we have, oh, here another dual box, overlooked. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then, we have a triple box here, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other digits could be everywhere. More triple boxes here? No, only one triple box. Then next question, we have here quadra boxes. Let me check for a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have a T shape here, rotated. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 3. Oh, pencil, a 3. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. T shape. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the shape? Yeah. Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Alright. Only one shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, is a 1 or a 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, is a 1 or a 2 there. Okay. Do we have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Then need a 3 here. Okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. So the other 2 numbers in this area should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and a 2. But we already have a 1 here. Can it be a 1 anymore? This box should be 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this jewel box for number 1. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then this box is connected with that box should be also 4 or a 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So round of 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because can be a 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Let me think. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3. In this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 3. This box can be 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. We have a double 2 there. Can be a 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Let me see. Well. Let me think. 1, 5, 2. So 3 and a 4 are left. Yeah. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Can be a 5. So 2 numbers are left. The 4 and the 3. 4 and a 3. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 4 and a 3. But we already have a 4 there. So it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those, 4 and 5. Oh, we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can't be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be there. And the 4 goes here. Alright. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 5 and a 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 numbers left. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you. With 16 printed digits, cannot be a 4 stars, can be 3 stars, can be 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on a Thursday, yeah. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.